Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Judicial magistrate inquest. Judicial magistrate inquest is dealt under 176 1A CRPC. Judicial magistrate inquest is conducted in two main scenarios. One, it is conducted in custodial death or disappearance. Two, it is conducted in custodial rape. First, judicial magistrate inquest conducted in custodial death or disappearance. What is custodial death or disappearance? If the death or disappearance of any person occurs in police custody or any other custody which is authorized by the court, it is called as custodial death or custodial disappearance. This custodial death includes death in jail or prison or reformative schools, boastals schools, which is for juvenile offenders, or death in psychiatric hospital. So all these are custodial deaths. How is death in psychiatric hospital a custodial death? If the death of inmate of psychiatric hospital who has been sent to the psychiatric hospital by the court, then it is a custodial death. If a person has been sent to the psychiatric hospital by the court and there occurs the death of the person, then it is a custodial death. Custodial rape. Rape alleged by any woman who is in custody of a police or any other custody authorized by the court is custodial rape. In custodial deaths and custodial rape, judicial magistrate inquest is done.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about